Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can add a zip code to Vanilla Visa gift card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, it's a very easy method. All you gotta be doing is accessing your particular Visa gift cards official website. Now let me tell you some of the informations. So after once you have accessed the Vanilla gift cards official website, simply go ahead, go to the Vanilla gift card providers website, which is we have entered. Simply sign in, then simply gonna enter the Vanilla card number and security code that you have received, and then go to the option of edit billing information or edit a zip code. Go ahead, enter the correct zip code for you. But the thing is, if the gift card was mailed directly to you, the address and zip code may already be corrected. However, if you purchase the gift card at a store or received it as a gift card or reward, you will need to update the billing address and zip code. Right, and that is basically it. So to do that, it's very easy. You simply have to go to the visit Vanilla gift cards providers official website and go ahead, go add your cards information, and then you should be able to locate to the edit zip code section, edit the zip code, and you're good to go. That's basically what it takes to be doing that. Hope this video was informative enough, and thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.